Jai Srimanarayana, 7th September 2018. 5th sloka from 1st Adhyaya Arjuna Vishada Yoga of Srimad Bhagavad Gita. Please repeat. Drushtaketuhu Chekitanaha Kasirajascha Viryavan Purujit Kuntibhojascha Saibhyascha Narapungavaha. The instruction from this sloka is, if you are doing something wrong, every small opponent looks very big opponent. So let us not carry any of wrong intentions and try not to do anything wrong. And the final instruction of Sri Krishna Paramatma from 18th chapter of Srimad Bhagavad Gita is, surrender to me alone. Mamekam Saranam Vraja. For these both instructions, we are now giving a word to Sri Krishna Paramatma, saying that, "O Krishna, I shall act as you said. O Krishna, karishye vachanam tava sarvam Sri Krishnarpanamastu." Jai Srimanarayana. Now let us learn Srimad Bhagavatam. Again, in the end, we will chant today's Gita Slokam. Namaskaram to Srimad Bhagavatam. Nigamakalpataror galitam phalam Sukamukhadam mrutadrava sanyutam Pibata Bhagavatam rasamalayam Muhuraho rasika bhuvi bhavukaha. Namaskaram to Sri Sukha Yogindra. Yam pravrajantamanupeta krutyam Dvaipayano virahakatara ajuhava Putreti tanmayataya taravobhineduhu Tam sarvabhuta hrudayam munimanatosmi. Namaskaram to Naranarayana Chaturmukha Brahma Saraswati Devi Vyasa Maharshi. Narayanam namaskritya naram chaiva narottamam devim saraswatim vyasam tato jayam udirayet. In Srimad Bhagavatam 8th Skandham, Suta Mahamuni giving his discourse to Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, "O Maharshis," Sri Sukha Yogindra teaching Srimad Bhagavatam to Parikshit Narendra, saying that, "O Parikshit Narendra, Bali Chakravarti did washed off the divine feet of Vamana, and then he sprinkled that Pada Tirtham of Vamana on his head." After that he is asking like this, "Vaduga yavvarivadavu యవ్వడవు సంవాసస్థలం బయ్యది ఇక్కడికి నీవు అరుదెంచుటన్ సఫలం బయ్యను వంశమున్ జన్మమున్ కడు ధన్యాత్ముడనైతి." ఓ బ్రాహ్మణోత్తమ, స్వాగతం తే నమస్తుభ్యం. బ్రహ్మన్ కిం కరవామతే. ఐఎమ్ డూయింగ్ నమస్కారం టు యూ. ప్లీజ్ టెల్ మీ వాట్ కెన్ ఐ డూ ఫర్ యూ. ప్లీజ్ ఆర్డర్ మీ. O Brahmanottama, I am feeling that you are an embodiment of all the tapasya of all Brahmarshis. That way I am thinking that I am believing that all the Brahmarshis tapasya came to bless me. O Brahmanottama, with your arrival, entire of my dynasty, my caste, everything became pure. And all my ancestors got very much satisfied. With your arrival, entire of my yajnam and all these Agnihotras, they all got fulfilled. O Brahmanottama, with your arrival and with the Padatirtham of your divine feet, my entire kingdom got purified, sanctified. Please tell me, please order me. What do you want? Whatever you want, I will definitely give you. Like that, Bali Chakravarti asking Vamana. What happens next, we will learn tomorrow. Om Shri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmadgurubhyo Namaha. Mukundamala. Krishna rakshatu no jagatraya guruhu. Krishnam namasyamyaham. Krishne namarashatravo vinihataha. Krishnaya tasmai namaha. Krishnadeva samuthitam jagadidam. Krishnasya dasosmyaham. Krishne tishtati visvametadakhilam. He Krishna samrakshamam. Srimad Bhagavad Gita, 1st chapter, 5th sloka. Drushtaketuhu Chekitanaha Kasirajascha Viryavan Purujit Kuntibhojascha Saibhyascha Narapungavaha. Drushtaketuschekitanaha Kasirajascha Viryavan Purujit Kuntibhojascha Saibhyascha Narapungavaha. Srimannarayana Karishye Vachanam Tava. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimannarayana.